Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about how to install Python 3.12.0 in Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So first go to your run and type cmd and the command prompt window opens. Here type python space hyphen hyphen version and click enter. So now you can see in my system I don't have Python, so it is mentioning that Python was not found. So in case if you're already having Python installed in your system, it will be showing which version of Python is there. In case if you're not having, it will be showing like this. So now let us install. So just close this command prompt. So if you go to official website of python.org, there you can see the latest version. If you go to downloads, you can see it will be showing the latest version of Python. If you wanted specific version of Python, you wanted to go to the such specific version and you need to search it. So now we are going to install Python 3.12.0, but here the latest version is 3.12.4. so now let us go to the specific version release where you can see the Python 3.12.0. so here in this page, if you scroll down, you can see the Windows installer 64-bit. so just click this link. So it is asking to download, so it will be downloaded. I'm just downloading in the desktop, so you can see which is downloaded, and the file size is 25.2 MB. Or I'll just give you a link. Just click this link. I'll just mention it in the description. Just click this link, so automatically the link downloads the exact version of the Python 3.12.0 here. So now after downloading we can install it. So just double click it. So now you can see it is asking for the setup. So here you can see two options: use admin privileges when installing py.exe. you can select this checkbox, and another important thing, add python.exe to path. So you need to select this importantly. In case if you're not selecting this, you need to add the Python path manually only. So it is very easier by selecting this option, and then you can click this install now. So now it is installing the Python. So now you can see the setup was successful message. So we have successfully installed the Python 3.12.0. now you can click this close button and you can close it. So now again go to your start and type cmd, command prompt window opens. Now type python space hyphen hyphen version, the same command which we have given before installing Python, and click enter. So now you can see Python 3.12.0 is printed in it, so which means that you have successfully installed Python 3.12.0 in it. And this is all about the video, and thank you for watching.